Your Hyundai comes equipped with many advanced driver assistance systems, or ADAS for short. These include features such as lane keeping assist, forward collision alert, and rear cross-traffic safety, among others. These driver assistance systems share alert and warning settings that you can adjust. On vehicles without navigation, use the LCD display to go to User Settings, select Driver Assistance. On vehicles with navigation, select Setup, then Vehicle, then Driver Assistance. You can adjust the warning timing to set the initial warning activation time. Your vehicle will be delivered with the timing set to normal, but you can adjust it to late if you wish, for when traffic is light and driving speed is low. Warning volume can be adjusted between high, medium, and low. It's important to know that these changes are universal for all ADAS systems. So if you set the warning volume to medium, for instance, it will be medium for all warning alerts. For more helpful information on your Hyundai, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Hyundai USA YouTube channel and myhyundai.com.